Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu reports, on Friday a man entered the mosque through the gate on the side of Dar al-Qada, whereas Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was delivering the sermon standing. He got up before Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the property has perished and the roots have got bare. Supplicate to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to pour rain on us. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised his hands and said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, pour rain on us. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, pour rain on us. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, pour rain on us. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu said, By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we did neither see any cloud or a patch of cloud in the sky, nor there was any house or building between us and the Mount Sal'in. So from behind it there appeared a shield-like patch of cloud. When it was in the center of the sky, it spread. Then it rained. So by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, we did not see the sun for 1 week. Then next Friday, a man entered through the same gate while Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was delivering the sermon standing. He stood up before him and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the property has perished and the roots have got cut off. Supplicate to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu to stop it falling on us. So Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised his hands and said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, round about us but not on us. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, on the mountains, the mounds, the basins of the valleys, and on the places where trees grow. So it stopped and we started walking in the sun. Sharik said that he asked Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu, was it the same person who came the first time? He said, I do not know. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1014.